Hi friends, today I'm going to talk about how stock market reacts to changes in profit at various levels within the profit and loss statement. You must have wondered, for a similar decline in profit, you may see a different degree of impact on share price. In my opinion, stock market distinguishes a fall in profit at various levels, that is, at gross profit level, at operating profit level, and at net profit level, and then acts accordingly. Before I proceed further, let me give some conceptual clarity regarding gross profit, operating profit, and net profit. Gross profit. It is the measure of profit that a company makes on its cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold is the expense relating to all manufacturing activities, such as labor, raw materials, and other manufacturing overheads. When the cost of goods sold is deducted from net sales, we get gross profit. Gross margins helps to understand how well management is utilizing its raw materials and labors in production process. One should not compare gross profit margins between companies from different industries because the number varies greatly from industry to industry. Service or retail industries usually have higher gross profit numbers because they almost have nil manufacturing and production cost. Whereas, in case of pure manufacturing companies, the gross profit numbers are much lower. While comparing companies within the sector or industry itself, a company has to have low to medium but consistent margins over a period of time. Operating profit. It is the measure of profitability of a company before tax, interest, and miscellaneous expenses. The operating profit not only indicates the cost of material and labor, but also the administrative and selling cost. It shows how efficient a company is generating income from its business operations. So, when we deduct operating expenses such as selling, general, and administrative expenses like research and development, rents, depreciation, amortization from gross profit, we arrive at operating profit. Operating profit margin is basically a metric to measure the efficiency of management. This is because management has much better control over operating expenses than cost of goods sold. It also shows how competent a management of the company is at generating income from its business operations. Most analysts consider operating profit margin as more reliable number than any other margin number. Net profit. Net profit measures the profitability of a company from all phases of the business and after meeting all expenses such as interest, tax, etc. In other words, it is the profit which is available for distribution among shareholders after meeting all the expenses of the company. Net profit margin gives a complete picture of how effectively the management of a company has managed all its business activities, such as production, advertisement, administration, pricing, taxation, etc. Companies that have high profit margins are better positioned to weather difficult periods and emerge as winners, whereas low profit margin companies face the risk of bankruptcy during tough times. Investors cannot simply rely on past profits, as profits are constantly under pressure from various forces, both internal as well as external. Profits can be under pressure if companies' cost rises or revenues fall due to some reasons. Investors should analyze these factors in detail and try to get their potential impact on future margins of the company. These factors are rise in cost of expenses such as electricity, water, rent, wages, cost of transportation, cost of advertisement, raw materials, etc. Change in government policies and regulatory norms. Inability to pass on the rise in cost to customers for a fear of losing market share to competitors, entry of newer and cheaper products into the market, loss of market share due to quality issues, management problems, lawsuits, labor unrest, etc. Rise in R&D cost to counter the threat of competition. From the given example, it is clear that all companies have stated same profit, but the fall in profit at various levels is quite different. A fall in net profit can squeeze the cash to certain extent, but alternative possibilities to raise cash are many. Also, this has a limited impact on day-to-day operations of the business. When fall in profit is at operational level, then this incidence can have a bigger impact. But if factors are in favor of company, then alternative strategies can be adopted. When fall in profit takes place at gross profit level, it needs a major attention. The time to rectify may be less. Also, sometimes it can be above the ability of company, like increase in raw material cost. For such external changes, company has lesser alternatives. Let's say if company profit falls and the reason found was company is thinking of selling some of its assets which are no more required in its operations. So it has created additional depreciation after considering its realizable value. Now, stock market will conclude it as an one-off event. Also, it hardly has an cash effect because it is a non-cash expenditure. So market will react accordingly. On the other hand, if sales of a company falls, then market will discount accordingly. Sales is a replication of business model. Market will look at current and any possible further reduction in sales. A fall in sales can be for a temporary period of time, like in case of demonetization, or it can be for a prolonged period of time in case of economic slowdown. A fall in gross profit level can be even more alarming. A fall in gross profit can be because of two reasons. 1. Reduction in sales. 2. Increase in cost of manufacturing. If company sales reduce because of selling price and company wants to have a higher selling value, then it has to increase its production. In this case, depreciation on machinery also increases. On the other hand, if cost of manufacturing increases and company cannot increase its selling price, then company have to bear huge losses. Also, more money is blocked with increased cost of manufacturing. In this case, interest cost also increases if company takes bank loan. A fall in gross profit level can also indicate a further possibility of fall in operating profit or net profit level. Here are few listed companies where sudden changes have shown their impact on profits. A listed company on quarter-on-quarter comparison posted same operating profit, that is EBIT, and particularly there is increase in interest cost. That led to fall in profit. Another listed company on year-on-year comparison posted same operating profit. As interest cost reduced, profit increased. Another listed company on quarter-on-quarter comparison, sales saw reduction with similar cost of raw material. Thereby, profit reduced more than 50%. Another listed company on quarter-on-quarter comparison, the sales numbers were similar, but there is sudden increase in other expenses. So, operating profits turn negative. Another listed company on quarter-on-quarter comparison saw reduction in sales and had proportionate impact on operating profit. Another listed company with year-on-year comparison, sales saw reduction with same cost of raw material, leading to fall in profit. Another listed company, on quarter comparison, sales saw similar number, but there was increase in cost of raw material, showing a sudden impact on profit level and breaking previous trend. Another listed company, on quarter comparison, saw similar sales number, but there was increase in cost, specifically increase in employee cost, thereby impacting profit levels. To conclude, based on particular incidents that affects profit levels, there can be corresponding impact on share price. Hope you liked this video. Subscribe to Share Subbu and click the bell icon so that you will never miss an update.